Carrie again, and I'm here for another unboxing. I was able to get a hold of another of the kits from Crafter's Companion that I didn't already have. This one is Decorative Outline Dies Craft Kit. It is number 26 in the set, so it's getting close to where we are now. And it's one that I heard was really hard to come by. I hadn't really seen them for sale too much other than some overpriced ones. And these people, which I got it from Crafty Corner, they had it for 17 something. Unfortunately, I had to pay shipping on top of that, so that brought it back up to more of its retail pricing. But I feel like I got a really good deal on it. I've just undone the seal, but I haven't looked inside yet, so let's see what's in there. And I'm just going to lift everything out first, and then we'll look at each thing. There we go. Here we are. Okay. So let's see here. Ooh, instead of just the pearls, it comes with some gems. Looks like they come in like an aqua green, a yellow, a goldish yellow, and a light pink, almost like a pink topaz. So there we go on those. Ooh, it comes with a 2D embossing folder with pretty flowers. So I'll turn that, see if you can see it any better. And it's got the center. I don't think it cuts it for you, but it gives you the center where then you could use an oval shape, put something there, or you could cut that out, I'm sure, yourself. And that looks like it's the size that would go through my mini. Oh, it comes with die cuts. I mean, with dies. Here we have, we have a dragonfly. And then we have a butterfly with little flowers. And then some leaves. And this is a bee. I had seen in a preview that there was a bee in here, so I'm excited about that. Which is funny because I'm terrified of bees, but I love to craft with them. This is the main die I had seen. I don't know exactly how it works because it looks like it would just make a mess that would fall apart. It's very detailed. So you do want to go ahead and use your metal shim, I would think, for this, or whatever you have to help with your fine detail cutting blades. But very pretty with flowers, and looks like a butterfly up here and a sunflower. Oh, and then the stamps. I'm going to go ahead and get the envelopes here to help with seeing the stamps, if we can. Gorgeous dragonfly. Got a butterfly, and there's the bee. Isn't he cute? Some different font they used on the lettering. We've got congratulations, happy birthday, enjoy, you are in my thoughts, just to say, thank you, thinking of you, smile, a flower day frown, it keeps the frown away. Then over here, wishing you a lovely day. Especially for you. So some different sentiments there. Of course, we've got lots of card blanks here. Looks like there's probably 15 or 20 there. It says 24 on the box, so 24. And then the matching envelopes as usual. And it has die cuts on top of it. Oh, I like these because then I can color them in. Got congratulations, celebrate. Let's celebrate for you. Lots of love. Hello. Happy birthday. Good luck. And thanks. I do wish that they would do more variety. Maybe cover some other holidays and things. They use a lot of the same phrases. I know they're common phrases, but I'd like to see some different ones. But overall, nice die cuts there. Oh, cool. Vellum. I've been wanting some colored vellum for some other projects I have too. But colored vellum here. Looks like it comes in some different colors. Go ahead and open it. Maybe about 10 sheets or so here. But we got clear, black, purple, and we've got some blue, blue-green, green, yellow, orange, and red. So all the colors of a Crayola box there. And then matching paper. I don't see any print paper this time. But goodness knows I have plenty of that, so that's all right. I guess since the designs are so busy, you don't need the printed different design papers. Got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, aqua, purple, white, and black. So the same colors that were in the vellum, of course. So it's a good variety on this one. I'm looking forward to seeing how that die comes out and things. I've seen some really cool designs. On the box, if you'll look here, it looks like you've got a pretty detailed butterfly here. And then here's an example with the main die, along with one colored in. And then one with the main die and the butterfly up here. And then on the back, it shows the butterfly one again. I was hoping they'd have a picture of one with the dragonfly. But there we go. So this is Decorative Outline Dies. Be sure to like and my post and support my pages. Subscribe. Who knows what I have coming in the future. I know I'm wanting to do a comparison on some tapes. And I am currently reviewing a paper cutter, but I'm not sure exactly how my review is going to go yet, if I'm going to keep it or not. So we'll have to wait and see what I think of that. Tune in for more in the future. Thanks. Bye-bye.